Do you know who's running the Indian hip hop game? Well, you might be in for some surprises. We have got the ultimate countdown of the top 10 most influential and loved hip hop artists in India. Stick around till the end because trust me, you won't want to miss a single name on this list.
पीछे हटो, give me some space. देखी मैं थे लगी रैपर दी रेस. ये करते हैं बड़ की मैं सबसे तेज.
Starting off our list, number 10, we have Raftaar, a powerhouse in Indian hip-hop, known for his razor-sharp lyrics and fast-paced flow. Raftaar has redefined the Desi rap scene. His journey from a dancer on Dance India Dance to one of the biggest names in Indian hip-hop is inspiring. Hits like Swag Mera Desi and Dilli Wali Baatcheet have made him a force in the industry, and his versatility has allowed him to blend rap with mainstream Bollywood music. Number 9, Divine. Next up is Divine, the gully boy of Indian rap. Born and raised in the streets of Mumbai, Divine's raw and authentic sound captured the essence of street life. His breakout track Meri Gali Mein became an anthem, and he further solidified his place with albums like Kohinoor. Divine's storytelling, which touches on real life struggles and aspirations, has made him one of the most relatable artists in India. Number 8, Krishna. Krishna, often referred to as the lyrical king of Indian hip-hop, has been known for his complex rhymes and hard-hitting punchlines. Tracks like Vengean and No Cap showcase his lyrical prowess and wordplay. He is one of the pioneers of the hip-hop movement in India, building a dedicated fan base with his aggressive delivery and deep bars that explore personal and societal issues. At number 7 is Paradox, a fresh talent in Indian hip-hop who has rapidly gained attention. Known for his unique blend of conscious lyrics and infectious beats, Paradox has captured the imagination of new age hip-hop listeners. His distinct style and thought-provoking tracks such as Jhootha Pyar have set him apart in a competitive landscape, proving he's a star in the making. Number 6, Dinu James. Dinu James stands out for his emotional depth and introspective lyrics. Starting as a self-taught rapper, his tracks like Hancock and Girlfriend touch on themes like mental health, self-improvement, and relationships. Dinu's raw vulnerability resonates with listeners, and his relatable content has helped him carve out a niche as a storyteller in the hip-hop world. Number 5, King. King, a rising star in the Indian hip-hop scene, has been winning hearts with his smooth melodic delivery and relatable lyrics. His hit tracks like Tu Aake Dekh Le and Maan Meri Jaan have not only climbed the charts but also established him as a versatile artist who blends romance with rap seamlessly. King's knack for crafting catchy hooks has made him a fan favorite in no time. Number 4, Emiway Bantai. Emiway, known for his independent grind, is the ultimate underdog success story. His track Machayenge took the internet by storm, making him a household name. Emiway's journey from recording in his bedroom to becoming a global sensation shows his dedication to the craft. He constantly drops hard-hitting tracks that are both energetic and unapologetic, and his beef with other rappers has only added to his legend. Number 3, Badshah. One of the most commercially successful rappers in India, Badshah needs no introduction. Known for his chart-topping hits like DJ Wale Babu and Pagal, Badshah has bridged the gap between Bollywood and pop. His catchy hooks, clever lyrics, and knack for crafting party anthems have made him a dominant figure in the Indian music industry. Despite facing criticism for leaning towards commercial sounds, Badshah has remained true to his style. At number 2 is the Punjabi sensation, Diljit Dosanjh. Though he is primarily known as a singer, Diljit has successfully fused hip-hop elements into his music, making him a crossover star. Tracks like Do You Know and Goat showcase his ability to blend traditional Punjabi sounds with modern hip-hop vibes. His larger-than-life persona and versatility have earned him a place among the hip-hop elite in India. Number 1, Yo-Yo Honey Singh. Taking the top spot is the one and only Yo-Yo Honey Singh, a true pioneer of Indian hip-hop. Honey Singh revolutionized the scene with his infectious beats and unforgettable lyrics. Tracks like Round Run, Desi Kalakar, and Lungi Dance tossed him to stardom, making him a cultural phenomenon. Despite facing personal challenges, Honey Singh's influence on Indian hip-hop remains unmatched, and his recent comeback with Glory album has only cemented his legacy as the king of Desi rap. Now, you might be wondering why isn't Guru Randhawa on this list, especially with his tracks hitting billions of views? Well, that's because Guru is a phenomenal singer and songwriter, but this list is all about hip-hop artists. So while we love Guru's music, he didn't quite fit the vibe we are going for in this countdown. And there you have it, the top 10 kings of Indian hip hop. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment and let me know who's your favorite. I love reading what you guys have to say. And hey, if you enjoyed this, hit that subscribe button. Your support is what keeps this channel buzzing, and I promise to keep bringing you more fun and fire content. So stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.